Ready? Do you like them? Do you want more? Do you like them? Do you like them? Say yes. Yes, you do. My dogs had a really difficult time after the pandemic when I went back to work. So I tried the calming chews and they love the way they taste. And my neighbors that live below me told me they heard the dogs barking way less after I left. So they're definitely working. I highly recommend them. They've been awesome.